Good morning, everyone. This is Trey from Midwest Day Trips here in Collinsville, Illinois. Checking out Kruta Bakery. This place has been in business, family owned since 1919. So come day tripping with us. This is actually the second video we've done here. I wanted to come back because I wasn't thrilled with the way the first video came out. But we also wanted to shine a light on one of the greatest pastries ever made, the radio bar. You'll see that shortly. Kruta Bakery has been in business since 1919 and was originally located in East St. Louis. It is a family business and has the reputation of being one of the best, if not the best, bakeries in the St. Louis area. You can't go wrong when you're picking things out here. Everything here tastes a little better than their counterparts at other bakeries. You can tell that they use the best ingredients and the best care possible when making these items. It's a family business, and I love how they showcase the family for everyone to see. It is, after all, the human element that makes businesses like this special and not just another store. Alright, in our opinion, one of the best bakeries in the St. Louis area, anywhere close to here. You gotta check this place out when you're in the area. So good that we had to do a second video on this place. Anyway, that's gonna about do it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back all the time for new content. Take care, everyone.